Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Bitcoin has gained 5.7% in the last three sessions. The stochastic RSI has transitioned sharply into the overbought area. The euro-dollar pair has added 0.4% in the last two sessions. The highs-lows indicator has transitioned into the positive area. The sterling-dollar pair has added 0.5% in the last two sessions. The stochastic RSI has transitioned sharply into the overbought zone. The Aussie-dollar pair has gained 0.7% in the last two sessions. The ATR is heating up and is currently signaling high volatility.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
NVIDIA Corp stock and the broader chip sector logged their best days in nearly a year, as beaten-down tech stocks staged a rally. A decline in mining stocks led British shares lower, while energy stocks tracked a decline in oil prices on expectations of a rise in U.S. inventories. Wall Street breathed a sigh of relief after a closely watched inflation metric did not show any signs of spiking, which would have triggered higher prices for consumers and also for corporate borrowers.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The UK's 30-year bond auction will be released at 9:30 GMT, the Eurozone's ECB deposit rate decision at 12:45 GMT, the US initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 13:30 GMT, the UK's RICS housing price balance at 0:01 GMT, Japan's BSI Large Manufacturing Conditions Index at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.